Hey guys, welcome to my vlog channel. Here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Yes, everybody know Montego Bay in Jamaica, right? Yeah, at the wharf in Montego Bay to pick up a barrel today. But it's very hectic here. There's a lot of crowd, so trying my best. And the sun is hot, so the place is packed and the sun is so hot. So that's the area where we're going to pay the first money, because I already paid the barrel shipping company. So that's where I'm heading now. And the place is packed, guys. So we're heading over to number 1. That's right here. Number 1. So I'm going to do the first payment. Hold on. Alright, so this is the area in which the first payment is made. And this payment is apparently for handling the cargo. So now I got you at number 1, and I have to go downstairs and wait for my name to be called. Now I have to wait at what they call number 3 underneath the tent until they call my name. And now I have to go to the second cashier. Here I will pay the import duties and so on. Basically I will pay for clearing the barrel. Now that I've done all that, as you can see, I'm sweating because inside the wharf is hot and I was taking the stuff out of the barrel. So now it's just to get the paper and get my gate pass, and then I'm good to go. And this is what inside the wharf looks like. You can see a lot of people are here. And now for my gate pass, and I'm done. And that was less than 3 hours. Okay, so I've had worse days at the wharf. I think I'm preferring Montego Bay Wharf over Kingston Wharf now. I used to prefer Kingston Wharf, but I think Montego Bay might just be a little easier. Yeah.